Okay, here is our mango graham cake. Hello guys, gagawa tayo ngayon ng mango graham cake. So, gagamit ako ng 4 condensed milk. Okay, dudurugin natin to ha. Gagamit tayo ng whipping cream, all-purpose cream. Then, box of crackers or graham crackers. Isa lang gagamitin natin. Ayan, dudurugin natin yung isang, kasi tatlong supot yan ng crackers. So, durugin natin yan. Ayan. Yung iba, durog na durog, pero okay lang at hanggang madurog lang siya. And then, ilalagay natin sa bowl. Yan, ilagay muna natin dyan sa, sa bowl. And, set aside natin. Kasi gagamitin natin mamaya sa paggawa ng layer. Marami yan. Okay, and then, peel natin or slice natin ang ating mangoes, ripe mangoes. Yeah, you can slice sa gusto nyo. Ayan, anong mga sura or mga lagyan nyo ng style, it's okay. Okay, ayan na. Marami tayong mango, mas masarap pag mas madaming mangga. Ayan. Balatan and then slice. Masarap siya guys, pag mas maraming mango. Okay, I'm using whipping cream or pwede kang gumamit ng all-purpose cream. Ayan. Pwedeng whipping cream or all-purpose cream ang gamitin natin. Ayan, ilagay na natin yan sa isang bowl. Ayan, malaki yan guys, kaya hindi ko yan ginamit lahat. Halos kalahati or more than half ang nagamit ko lang. So, and then gagamit tayo ng hand mixer para mas madali. Ayan, in few minutes, yan ay parang mag-foam na siya. Okay, makikita niyo yan after few minutes. Okay, actually, this is my first time to make mango graham cake. Ayan, okay. After a few minutes, ayan ang itsura guys. Foamy na siya. And then, i-mix natin ulit para mas maganda ang texture. And, i-add na natin we're going to add the condensed milk. 1 can of condensed milk. I-mix lang natin yan hanggang sa magpantay-pantay. Okay, mix well. Ayan, mix lang ng mix. Hopefully, masarap siya, o diba? Kasi ang sarap-sarap tignan eh. Lagi ako nanonood until I decided to make my own cake. Okay na siya. Ayan, okay ng itsura. And now, ayan, yung glass container ang gagamitin ko, yung rectangle. So, gagawin na tayo ng first layer. Ayan, ililay natin yung graham crackers. Gawa tayo ng first layer. Ayan. We're going to make first layer of ayan, we're going to lay the crackers. Graham crackers. Ayan, pagkatapos natin mailagay ang graham crackers, guys, we're going to pour or lagyan natin ng yung mixture natin. Ayan, yung pinaghalong cream and condensed milk. Ilagay natin on the top. We're going to pour it on the top and make it even. Okay, gawin natin even para maganda siyang tignan at masarap. Okay. Ayan, lagyan mo natin yung mga butas-butas. Okay, kailangang pantayin ha. Ipantay. And then, pagkatapos niyan, we're going to put the mangoes now. Sliced mango. Kilagyan natin ng mangga. Ayan. Sa taas. Okay, and then, bubudburan natin siya ng crushed graham crackers. Ayan yung ano to, nadurog na. And, of course, gagawin natin yung first step natin. Lagyan ulit natin ng graham crackers. It's just depend on you guys on how many layers you're gonna do. Then, of course, pour again the mixture, milk and cream on the top, and then we're going to put another one. Okay, mangoes again. Okay, you can put as many as you want because the more mangoes, it's more delicious. Yummy, yummy. I can't wait to eat this. Then, okay, budburan ulit ng na-crack na ano to, na graham. Ayan, lagyan na naman na ulit. Ulit-ulit lang yan, guys. Kung ano yung ginawa mo sa una, yun, paulit-ulit lang ang gagawin ninyo. So, as you can see, you just repeat it. How you do it, then do it again. Then put another cream. Ayan, lagyan lang ng lagyan para mas madami as mas masarap, o diba? Ayan, and then I guess that's my last layer because eto yung ano to, yung container natin is hindi siya masyadong deep, so that's okay. And then the last one, we're going to put the mangoes again. Ayan, mas madami nga, sabi ko sa inyo, mas marami, mas masarap, diba? Okay, malapit na. Ilalagay na natin sa fridge after that. I'm going to put in the fridge after putting that. But after that, we're going to cover it, okay? Alright. Sige. Lagyan pa more ng mangga. And then, bubudburan ulit natin ng graham crackers. Yung ating ano to, na-crush ng graham crackers. Ayan. Masarap yan. Marami siyang matira, guys, kasi madami pala yung isang ano to, isang supot. Ayan, ang sarap-sarap, grabe. Can't wait to eat it, guys. And then after that, ayan na, ayan. Then, tatakpan na natin. Okay, pagkatapos nating matakpan, ayan, ilalagay natin sa fridge. Nasa sa inyo, guys, kung ilalagay lang yun a few hours, 2 to 4 hours. But man, I'm going to put it overnight. Ayan, i-overnight ko sa fridge para mas lalong mas masarap. Okay, guys, this is our mango graham cake. Okay, I just took it out in the fridge. I put there for overnight. Okay, now we're going to see and taste it. I'm going to use this to cut it. Okay, I'm just gonna cut some piece of it. Maybe 2. Oh, can you cut it up? I'm making 2 slices and put in the plate. Ooh, yum yum. Okay, here is our mango graham cake.